Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying iOS version and freeing a home screen slot so you can place the widget immediately. Next, pick a widget app that supports custom backgrounds and transparency. Widgetsmith and color widgets commonly work. Once chosen, gather the image or screenshot you'll make transparent and put it in Photos. This saves time because you'll edit and assign it straight away. Make sure to allow Photos access when the app asks, so you can import assets without interruption. Now create a transparent image with an editor that supports alpha channels. Remove the background or erase unwanted areas, then set those areas to 0% opacity so they become see-through. Export as a PNG with transparency preserved. JPEG will not work. Once exported, import the PNG to Photos and inspect it. Pinch to zoom and look for checkerboard or expected gaps. If transparency didn't survive, re-export with the correct settings. This ensures the widget will truly show your home screen beneath. Finish by creating the widget inside your chosen app and assigning the transparent PNG as the background. Place the widget on the home screen, long press it and choose Edit Widget as needed to set size and widget instance. Once placed, make sure the wallpaper shows through. If the widget looks opaque, adjust the widget app's background opacity or re-import the PNG. If problems persist, re-export the image with correct alpha, clear the app cache, or restart your iPhone. That often resolves rendering glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.